All right, I think we're live. Oh, excuse me. Haha, crypto soldier. What a soldier you are, sir. Hang on a second. All right, so what I want to do is I want to cover some testimonials from our members, part of Swing Trade Pros, okay? And show you guys what people say about our bot and about our trading indicator, okay? So, what do you know? We got Crypto Soldier right here first, showing all green trades, man. Not one red trade ever. Not so far, thankfully. We got BitMoney 108. I set his bot up a couple days ago, and it's crushing it. All right, looks like he set the bot up on September 13th. All right, and he's made since September 16th $247 in, what is that, 4 days? Come on, guys, that's absurd. All right, so yeah, I mean, we got all these testimonials here going on. This is the real stuff. We're pumping real results here, guys. Real results. Can you guys? Oh yeah, how's my new mic? Can you guys hear me? How am I doing? Is it all right? Can you guys hear me? Test 1 2. I probably should have tested it before I even got on. So we got an updated result here from BitMoney 108. So can you guys hear me or what? Sounds great. Okay, great. All right, so yeah, make sure you guys check out the Discord here. Get your guys 7-day free trial with our Swing Trade Pros indicator. Where did my trading view go? Here it is. Okay, so we had Bitcoin's daily close today. We wicked down pretty hard around that. It hit the 95. What is that? It hit 95.67. Okay. Didn't get a candle close below 10K though. If you guys look, I mean, the candle did not close. The candle body did not close below 10K. All right. So pretty crazy stuff here happening. We had some volatility today. You know, we could even call this the bottom of our left shoulder now, as it did wick down to there, which is kind of synonymous with where we wick down here, right? Pretty close to the wick down there on the left side. All right, so on the technical side, obviously, Stokes are pointed up. We got RSI pointing up. I made a little cheat sheet for you guys in the Discord too for those that are trying to learn like basic TA and, you know, bearish and bullish divergence stuff. Yeah, so I mean, if you kind of get the idea, like when the price drops, we make a low, we have a little pump, and then we make a lower low, but the oscillator is showing higher levels of negative momentum. That is strong bullish divergence, okay, which means there's potentially a big move to the upside coming, okay, which is kind of what happened if you go to the lower time frames on Bitcoin earlier today, or maybe yesterday. Yeah, or earlier today before the daily candle closed, right? So if we go to like a 4-hour, right? Check this out. Check this out, right? We had this little pump here, right? We had a little dump. Sure, I will talk about the bot, its setup, and how it works with the 3 commas API. Sure. All right, so, but just real quick, just a quick lesson on bullish divergence, okay? So we had a dump here, right? We didn't really have too much negative momentum that picked up, right? We had some. Here's your negative momentum from this dump, right? The start of it. Consolidated. Had another huge dump. We actually have these white candles here. These are oversold candles, okay? So, but you can see that from here we made lower levels of negative momentum from the previous drop, okay? And what happened, guys? What did we get? We got a nice pump to the upside right after we found support right around this 9,800 area, okay? So there's your Bitcoin. And for targets, I mean, we can give you guys some basic targets here. I'm still, obviously, it's still like we break out of this triangle, we're going to 12.8. We break down out of it, we're going to like 6K or 8,500 to start. But that's basically the gist of it, right? So, you know, here you go, 12.5 and 8,200, right? We're still stuck in this range for now. Still stuck in the range. All right, I'm gonna go to the 3 commas website here and show you guys what my bot's been doing. I'm just trading on a couple $1,000 just to originally test this thing out, and obviously we've had some pretty great success with it so far. So I've never been so happy to have trades go against me. Yeah. So what this bot does, guys, is what it'll do is it will protect your position as the trade goes against you. We have what's called safety orders set up, where it will like double the size of your orders up to 5 times, and towards I believe the 4th or 5th dollar cost average, you are starting to use margin, okay? But what ends up happening is just like earlier today or earlier this morning, basically. This huge wick down, right? All of our bots were kind of stuck in some long positions, okay? And what happened was our bot went long. If we go to the 1-minute chart, you can kind of get an idea of what happened. Okay, I'm going to show it. So this is where it all went down. So yeah, million buy signals. So what happened was this. Our bot went long. My bot took probably a position, or it did take a position here, okay, at 11.4. We want background music. Yeah, we'll get some background music. Hopefully soon. I gotta look into that, because if I start playing music on here, they will take down my stream, and I don't really want that. So basically, the bot went long here, guys. Okay, and then we had a huge breakdown, right? So, I mean, I think percentage-wise, this is like around a 5% move or something like that. Yeah, 5.5%. So what happened was our bot, at every 0.5% from where its entry is, it will buy double the amount of contracts. So it basically was buying every 5 times every 0.5%. So buy order here, buy order here, all the way down. You guys get the point. So basically got to the point where my take profit on this long was like 98.18 or something like that. And the first bounce it got, it kept rejecting, it was like this area right here. Actually, I remember specifically because my long didn't fill, and I was like freaking out. I was like, oh my god, why won't it fill? And basically, like around 12:30 or 1:30, it filled, and it was like a $20 trade, but that was like 2% of my trading account. So I mean, make a 2% trade. That's a pretty significant trade, right? And thankfully, I didn't panic or like freak out or like, oh my god, how do I get out of this trade? So yeah, man, 3 commas in our bot. That's what we got going on right now, and It's looking pretty good. We have people are having posted some really good results. And I know I went through this a little bit earlier, but for all you newcomers that just joined the stream here tonight, let's show you guys what the testimonials look like. All right. So today we had somebody say that they made $551 today, just off like a couple trades. This guy made $627 today. Sailing Wave. Crypto Soldier posted his results today, today. Yes, we can use the bot profits to buy cookies. Mrs. Note at all. Or maybe we'll have some really generous viewers buy us some cookies. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, guys, so these are all our testimonials we have so far on this bot and our trading indicator. So make sure you guys join the party. I'd give up cookies for $627. You would? Man, dude. So can you retire yet? Unfortunately, no, not yet. We can't retire, unfortunately. It's an unfortunate thing. Someday, though. Someday soon. There you go. Todd actually hooked me up on the safety count. Okay, so this is yesterday's long trade that we took. Okay, safety 1 came in around 10-1. Some kid told me a person needs 60 minutes to live a carefree life. Anyways, guys, you guys get the point. 5 safeties. We basically caught the bottom on this whole move down. Good job, bot. All right. What do you guys want to cover? Let's talk about some other stuff here. Enough about the bot. Everyone gets it. The bot's good. Makes money. Wonderful. Million. All right, so let's cover ETH, because I think in my last stream I pretty much gave targets of the 382 to the 618 fib extensions that we were on target for, right? So looks like we nailed the 382 fib extension, guys. We hit that 223 area, and now we are just looks like we haven't started a retrace yet, but if we go to the hourly, maybe we could see a little bit of a pullback happening there. We obviously have resistance right here. What do you know? Fib extension 382. So what we'll do is we'll back test where we originally broke out from, around this 215 area, and then probably bump and run again. Like, let's look at our oscillators. Are we overbought on the hourly? We are overbought on the hourly. 4-hour chart is in the overbought areas, but we don't have too much divergence happening bearishly here just yet. So ETH looking pretty good. Now, if we go to like a 3-day chart on ETH, we can kind of get a bigger picture, right? Now, I drew this a couple days ago, like right after we created this head down here, and we've pretty much done exactly what has been projected here. So we're still coming out of negative momentum, guys, and really the volume hasn't even started to pick up yet. If you look at the 3-day chart and the volume, okay? So volume just picking up with ETH here. All right. You guys want to let's see what else. So let's go back to this real quick. Wow, we got 11 people on tonight, man. Wonderful. Thank you guys all for your support and watching my boring stream. I mean, my fun stream. When to close under 9,500? That's a great question. Well, it tried to break the support last night. Tried to break it last night. Didn't quite do it. Yeah, I'll definitely take a look at that. Let's look at a 15-minute. I'll give us more of an idea. All right, so stochastics still pointing down right now. This just looks like we are hidden bullish divergence on the 15-minute. We're just reloading, looks like. Back testing this this support area here. You know, positive momentum is weaning off. We might have a little bit of a pullback to the 150 area. You know, that wouldn't surprise me. So we go to the what do you guys want? The 5-minute chart? Yeah, so just consolidating right now after this power move up, okay? We don't have anything really happening on the oscillators right now that I could identify. Did we get a 1-minute sell candle in? We did get a 1-minute sell candle in. So here you go. We are selling off a little bit here. STP Discord link. Todd, you want to post that? Yeah, so we are pulling back just a little bit here. We got the oversold candles coming in, which you guys know what that means. There's going to be a pretty violent move up to the upside after this dump happens, just like we saw last time. How do I just get this? 1 second. How do I get this to only show on like daily time scale or something? Visibility. Here we go. Yeah, we'll have this show on just the dailies and the weeklies. There we go. Okay. So this shouldn't show on the hourly now. Perfect. So hourly RSI is kind of topping out, but just chilling, right? It's not like pointing down or didn't cross down yet. Well, it sort of did, but violent move and dump in the same sentence makes me uneasy. What's the setup and the pricing? Okay, so the pricing right now for our STP indicator, you guys got to get in early. We're still only charging $100 one-time fee, one-time payment for the indicator, and for the bot setup right now, we're charging $150 for the bot setup. So do let us know if you guys need a bot setup or want to try out the trading indicator. Check out our Discord and start your 7-day free trial today, and we'll get you guys going. Violent move and dump in the same sentence makes me uneasy. All right, well, 15-minute chart. Wait, no sell signal that came in yet on the 15. All right. What do you want? You want an indicator or you want a bot? Rash088. It's true. How could you not, right? CoinFox. There's 500 BTC for sale overhead, up to 10.5, and only 100 BTC worth if buyers till 96 months. I think we dump one more time. Yeah, it's possible. Definitely possible. Yeah, let's go. Let's get you set up on a bot. Hey Todd, what's the are we still using the 1.43 for the deviation on this, or what are we using? Did you increase the safety order step scale? By the bot. Oh man. Everyone should have a bot. All right. Yeah, I know it's boring. I know. Sorry. I'm sorry. All right. What do we want to? What other stocks or crypto you guys want to cover right now? Let's look at Chainlink real quick. This thing's been moving pretty good. Go to 4 hour. Or daily, actually. See, you guys can see the bullish divergence that we formed here on the daily chart. We pivoted right around this 50% retrace area. Oh. Okay. I know this is very boring stuff. Very boring. All right, so it's pretty clear, right? We got a double bottom here. Our measured move is about 20% from this breakout. Yes, good night, Jackie. All right, so what did I say? 18%, right? 18%. So we're looking at like a $2.20 chain link okay, from this break of this neckline. Because if we were to use if we were to use the FIB retracement tool from the top here to our local bottom that we just created, we're looking at, we need to cross the 236 to really confirm this is a local bottom, all right? So our measured move, once we break, okay, is anywhere from $2.30 to roughly around $3. Is it still under the trend line? Technically, it's still under it. We haven't broke the neckline yet. The neckline is like right around this 195 area. Once we cross or break this 195 area, we've obviously put in a local low, so we can actually use fib retracements to figure out our take profit areas. So, bullish divergence on the daily. You guys can clearly see it, and we haven't even started making positive momentum yet on Chainlink. So this is going to be a big mover next couple days. All right. Next, come on, guys. Let's look at some charts. Let's look at some bots. Let's look at some charts. Let's look at Maker. Nobody wants to look at Maker. Let's look at OSTK, man. This thing is freaking wrecked. Holy shenanigans. CoinFox, I think you said under 16 bucks. You were right. I didn't think it was going to drop 50%. I mean, shit. That's big. That's a big drop. That's a big drop. It's pretty bad too. Looks like could have a continued bear break here. You're right. You're right. I mean, I didn't think 50% drop was plausible in a 3-day period, man. Yeah, I mean, you're literally at the bottom of this support, so you could probably buy something here. If it makes a higher low, then yeah, take a long. Definitely take a long. There's a gap. There's a gap. I didn't see a gap. Oh yeah, there's a gap here. All right, well guys, I'm probably gonna cut this stream a little short tonight. Just wanted to get some quick summaries on. Oh yeah, ZRX. Oh, let's do ZRX real quick. That thing definitely hit the start of all my targets. So let's look at that. I don't know why every time I open a new chart I have to do this, and it's really annoying. Yeah, I'm on the daily. Yep. You know what's interesting is I already fibbed this too. And this is not a good chart of ZRX. I think we wanted to look at I think it was it on Poloniex first? Yeah. Poloniex has the most data. All right. So if we go to our previous all-time high, and this hopefully being our swing low. All right. Established swing lows break through the 236. So if this is really our swing, our absolute bottom swing low, we're talking about at least touching or testing this 30-cent area. Okay. This is a major, from major swing high. Okay. But looks like on the daily we're already entering overbought area. So let's look at a 3-day. The 3-day definitely has room to run, right? So we haven't even got a confirmed buy signal yet. That's on the daily we have. So this thing's going to run for at least a couple days. It's probably going to fly. I mean, thing's been incessantly sold off since January of 18. So yeah. We're going to see some of these altcoins fly now, man. Don't be surprised. Do not be surprised. All right. I think that's a wrap. Unless you guys got something quick. Oh, yeah. CoinFox, how's the microphone? Is the mic better tonight? It's better. Well, I'm using this this new microphone. It's called a Snowball or something. I don't know. It's pretty cool looking. It's rather large. That's what she said. All right. I'm going to wrap it up here. Again, guys, if you guys want access to the Swing Trade Pro signals, join our Discord. Let me post that real quick in the chat. One sec. Chat. Make sure you guys join the Discord, all right? Get in there. You guys want your free trial or you guys want a bot set up? Message one of us and we'll help you guys out, all right? All right, guys. Have a great night. Catch you guys in the next stream.